Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in starting a new IV fluids manufacturing business? Or expanding an existing one? Or simply learning more about how to start a business in a number of industries? Well then, you have arrived to the right location and you must watch the complete video with us. Do you want to start business of IV fluids manufacturing? Well, today, here you get to know about IV fluids manufacturing business by us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation, and we have been following a tight system and procedure to assure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. In this rapidly increasing and changing market, NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is being widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. Today, we will show you how to begin IV fluid manufacturing business. There are many opportunities in IV fluids manufacturing. You can start your own business in IV fluids manufacturing with proper planning and dedication to make it successful. There are different factors that you need to consider when starting an IV fluid manufacturing business. These factors will help you to decide if starting an IV fluid manufacturing business is right for you. IV fluids. IV fluids, also known as intravenous fluids, is a fast and convenient way to replace lost fluid and electrolytes due to injury or dehydration. Depending on what your treatment is and what symptoms you are having, there are many different types of IV fluids, include salt water or normal saline, balanced solutions such as plasma light, isotonic saline, lactated ringers or dextrose injection. Manufacturing process. The IV fluids manufacturing process is simple and consists of few steps. A group of ingredients, mostly chemicals, is mixed to obtain a solution which has desired characteristics like pH, viscosity, concentration, etc. Then it is filtered to remove any impurities or unwanted solid particles. After filtering, special processes are performed if required before bottling it for sale. Intravenous fluids market. The global intravenous fluids market reached a value of $12.5 billion in 2020. Looking forward, the market is growing at a CAGR of around 6% during 2021 to 2026. The growing prevalence of diseases such as cancer and diabetes, coupled with increasing geriatric population base, is expected to drive growth over next few years. Furthermore, technological advancement in drug delivery devices are expected to further accelerate market growth. How NPCS can help you? IV fluids manufacturing is one of among the reports on projects prepared by NIIR Project Consultancy Services. The report covers every aspect in business, from studying the market, verifying the availability of different necessities like machinery and plant raw materials, and forecasting the financial needs. The report prepared by NPCS has been beneficial to the engineers and project managers and companies that provide industrial consultancy services, not only in India but also around the world. With its project reports on different business plans, NPCS is also publishing technology, technical, reference, self-employment and startup books, directory of industry and business database, as well as many more, which can be found on our official website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website. For further more information, contact us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google by Business, Scribd, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So, see you again. Till then, goodbye.